actually getting in there.
No, he's not.
It looks like he is.
Her vagina's not in there.
Yeah, it is.
So you spread her legs, but it's right there.
Look at her. She looks so tired.
Maybe she's had hard work. I would like to go pee.
No, he had some hard work. He was going. Look. Watch, ready?
Come in.
It's funny.
You know, we're like, woo. It's funny.
Alex Corona and his new girlfriend. See, look, Alex, come on, Alex. Come on, Alex. Alex. No, don't eat her.
He lost the magic feeling.
Ready? Wait, watch. I don't lick her vagina.
You know, like every day. Or I really have to go pee, but so don't play my game without me.
Katie. I wonder if he's... Oh, he did get to this little pee came out. The little pink thing. Red Rocket.